The situation is that the state government has made a very firm decision with complete clarity that any further measure for uranium mining activities must be only after the people of the state are taken on board. Therefore, is there a space for all of us to insulate ourselves from this apprehension that until and unless the people of the state are actually taken on board, then only the proposed activities vis-a-vis uranium mining will be started by UCN. Now, if the stand of the government is reflective of the stand of the people, there is a need for the people to insulate themselves from this sense of insecurity, but stand firm. It is only because the people of the state have been vigilant, alert, that for all these years, when people say no, there has been complete stoppage to any activities which was linked to either pre-mining or mining activities. Therefore, I would like to place on record that the people of the state are capable of addressing the concern of the people and also are vigilant enough and capable enough to engage in healthy dialogue and protect the interests of the people. Engage in dialogue to ensure that both the groups take a collective decision, a decision which is acceptable mutually in the best interest of the people of the state, in the best interest of all the people of the state, and in view of the firm stand that the state government has taken in as far as the issue of uranium mining is concerned. No ambiguity.
The ministry says
decision, then all other further discussion wherever necessary will be resorted to.